Guys, so it's raining hard. Really strong. Grabe naman. Hey guys, good afternoon. So today, like I said, we're gonna go on a road trip to Baguio using the CX-5. And please don't ask me yung fuel consumption. A lot of people ask about fuel consumption, guys. I really don't pay attention, but I would assume it would be very similar to the Camry siguro in terms of mix city and highway. Tignan natin, guys. Oh, of course, ito may all-wheel drive to, so I'm really not, siguro this will eat maybe a little bit more than the Camry, I assume. I don't know with the weight. Feeling ko this is a heavier car than the Camry. But yeah, so we're gonna go to Baguio. Of course, we're gonna take the normal route. Skyway muna tayo, then NLEX, then SCTX, then T-Plex. Then we'll take siguro Marcos. Ano ba? What's a better route? We will see later kung anong okay. Anyway, the car has been perfect since I did the PMS and the upgrades. Like I said, the Apple CarPlay really helps. I love the auto fold mirrors. Kulang na lang yung ilaw. Siguro it will take 2 weeks pa. So I'm waiting for that. It will be nice at night, guys, na umiilaw to. But it's nice, guys. I like the fact na, the aircon, fantastic aircon system, guys. This is, compared to, like I said, compared to the 2024 Mazda 3 I had, mas maganda aircon system nito. Maybe the compressor is bigger, I don't know. But yeah, it's a better system. Of course, this will ride better because of the tires are thicker, higher to the ground also. The suspension is still good. I just replaced the damper boots rear. That's it. Wala pa namang kalampag or anything, unsettling. So yun, guys, dito lang ako. Just gonna pick up Andrea. So from Magallanes, we're gonna go all the way to Baguio. Then we'll be there for a couple of days. I don't know how it is, guys. Somebody asked recently between a Camry and the CX-5. Sabi ko, well, of course, because I had both. Well, I had the Camry. Two different cars, but two perfect daily cars and two perfect also road trip cars in a different sense of the way, diba? This one lang because it's higher to the ground. Pag mga baha, bad potholes, this will take it better. But the Camry, because the suspension is really superior, kaya rin. Problema lang yun ya, pag medyo umuulan, you'll get nervous a little bit because it's lower to the ground. So anyway, I'll see you guys in a bit pag nasa highway na tayo. Guys, so it's raining hard. So I'm driving like 80. So slow lang tayo. Tapos may mga puddle, tubig. Wala mag-ingat tayo. That's good. It's very stable, this car, guys. Sa highway. Walang ka-problema. The tires are very good. Good grip on the Toyo tires. Really strong. Grabe naman. likely will pass Marcos Highway kasi it's raining, guys. Delikado sa Canon. You can feel the water. Non-stop. Buti pala, we got this car, guys. Yung Camry to. Kaya naman. I remember the last time we went, it was also raining. Pero, yun nga, when there's a little, may mga floods, mahirapan tayo. Hindi sila. Guys, full tank ulit. Wow, grabe. Lakas ng ulan. You know what's good, guys, with Mazda? They only recommend 91 octane. Actually, when I went to Monworks for the PMS, sinabi na talagang follow yung 91 octane. Because he showed me an engine, guys. A Mazda Sky Active engine. Ang mileage parang 70 lang. Nag-knock siya because of higher octane fuels since day one. He didn't follow the recommended 91. So, yun. So, 91 talaga, guys. So, okay, diba? Tipid pa tayo. Yan, mas mura. So, I did fuel save gasoline. So, basically, kanina 26 kilometers lang natitira. Sabihin mo pag sinagad mo, 3,000 pesos. Kasi yung sa receipt, when 26 kilometers, tapos, magkano ma? 2,903. So, mga 3,000, guys, full tank. Medyo matako siya pag hinataw mo, guys. Kasi nga, I guess because 2.5 naturally aspirated, may all-wheel drive system also. So that weight will play a part when driving the car. Even though the all-wheel drive doesn't activate, the fact that it adds to weight sa car without, all-wheel drive. Okay, guys, so we're gonna go to the country club and I'll see you guys later. Ang ganda, Highlander. Kala ko Fortuner. Ayan, guys, so we're back from Baguio. And ganda yung feature pala to, yung when you unlock it, nag-on yung lights, parang home lights, I think that's what you call it. And yung walkaway function, guys, I like it. Kapag yung walkaway, actually kahit konti lang, magla-lock na yung car. And I'll walk away. I think another beep. Ayan. No. Anyway, so we just came from Baguio, and it's a good indication on basically what like, of course, when you take a car that you just bought, whether it's brand new or pre-owned, especially pag pre-owned, after doing the PMS, malalaman mo what else needs to be done with the car. The only thing, this side mirror, on high speeds guys, yung mirror, nagwi-wiggle siya ng konti. So I have to have that sorted out. And the rear wiper, which, of course, kasi umuulan guys. When I went to Baguio, lakas ng ulan. The roads were muddy, so it was a good indication that you know how stable the car is even when it rains. Na sobrang lakas, as you could see in the videos. Malakas talaga. And luckily, the car performed very well. Tires are very good. Even in, you know, like around 70 to 80 kilometers. Sobrang lakas ng ulan, but ideally dapat 60 kilometers. Very stable. You don't feel the car that, you know a car kapag on high speeds, alam mo pag stable yung kotse. And that's what Mazda is all about, which is very good for a affordable Japanese car maker, diba? Yung rear wiper pinilit natin, thanks to Electrovox. Along Evangelista guys, all my cars from the Hilux, the Ranger, the Camrys, ano pa ba, even the Civic and the Mazda 3. A lot of my accessories came from Electrovox. That's along Evangelista. Alan just put the Facebook page nila Deep, sila Raj, the dad. It's a family-owned business. Very, very nice family. Thank you for replacing my rear wipers. Kasi guys, nung mulang malakas na laman ko, halos wala na. It wasn't really, you know, doing its job. So I had to replace that. So doon mo malalaman sa mga road trips. Tapos also here, let's open the hood. Medyo madumi pa guys. So see, from Baguio, all the bugs and stuff. May sumamit pa nga na bug dito eh. You know. Anyway, let's open it up. Another one-hander. Hirap. There you go. Yun. So, of course, after a long road trip, 4 hours and a half, chinek ko lang yung coolant ko. Hey guys, so you check your coolant level and mine was good, even after a long drive. Wala naman indication, of course, na nag-overheat yung car. So, you're gonna check your radiator pag long trips talaga. But initially, dapat sa city traffic lalabas na yan. But mine was normal, the temp was normal. I did buy washer fluid for this car. So not plain water, washer fluid talaga. Sa Lazada lang yan. And the coolant, I did buy Mazda coolant. So the Mazda coolant guys is color green. So ito yun. Yeah. So I always have coolant and washer fluid in my cars. Just, you know, just to be sure. Very good space. Hey guys, so basically, you know, after a long trip, of course, I also check the oil levels kasi bagong change oil. To make sure lang na walang leaks, ganun talaga ako, I always check. And it performed well. The CX-5 is a great, what do you call it? Road trip vehicle. Ring, kung may, you know, knocking sound, especially pag in Canon, you're always left and right. Diba, left and right ka lagi. So, malalaman mo yun, lahat yun. So, yeah, the steering, the suspension, kung may katok, kasi nga, you pass Canon Road, tapos SCTX naman, T-Plex, diretso ka lang. So, it's smooth. But when it comes to Canon Road, yun nga, it's gonna be rocky. You're gonna test out your suspension, your bushings, your stab links, control arms, your shocks itself, diba? And wala namang katok, which is good. Ano pa? Yeah, the transmission, the 6-speed is fantastic. It doesn't lurch for, you know, it doesn't lurch for gears. Kasi some cars, like the Nissan Terra, there's a delay on the second gear. With this one, it's just programmed properly na alam niya kung kailangan mag-second gear or mag-third gear. Especially going up Baguio. Aircon's fantastic. Of course, the Apple CarPlay and everything else is good. And I'm very, very happy with the car. And like I said, we're gonna do a lot of videos about this car, a lot of more road trips, just to see, diba? You know, it's 65,000 kilometers, so it's pretty high mileage considering. diba, the year and stuff. But no, actually hindi. Tama lang naman yung mileage. It's just more of, this is the highest mileage car that I've owned, na pre-owned, besides my first owned BM before. That was 200,000 kilometers, guys. But sulit to. I love it. The Bose sound system's good. A lot of space at the back. LEDs. It's nice pag umulan, you could open the sunroof. I'm very happy. So, I'll see you on my next vlog. And always take care. God bless.